Hey everybody, it's Andy. Welcome to episode 1 of Backyard Renovation. In this video, we're going to show you how it all began and how everything just kind of fell apart. This is our pool. 3 years ago, we were enjoying it. And this is our pool now. No, I know what you're thinking. This is not a skate park. And it's not a sandbox, but it looks like both of them combined. So we moved in, this is what our pool looked like, okay? It was completely overgrown. It looked like it was dropped in the middle of the Amazon rainforest. The pool itself was okay. And so, you know, we tried to put some elbow grease into it. We hired some people to cut down like the trees that were overcrowding it, 40-foot maple there. And then we eventually got it to a point where we enjoyed it. We did have a plan later on to put some more money into it, kind of a long-term plan. It's a 60-year-old pool. But it did the job. It fit the bill for us. We enjoyed it. And there we are. We own a pool, and we live in Michigan. And you always have to open your pool in the springtime. It's about around May 1st. And we opened our pool cover and we found out all of our pool was empty. And all the water that you see there is stuff that we've added. So our vinyl liner pool, unfortunately, was completely emptied when we opened it. So last spring we opened it up, it was bone dry. I mean, all the water leaked through the main drain going to who knows where else. And the vinyl liner just kind of shrunk on itself, and this is why if pools have vinyl liners, you need to keep water in them, especially the ones that are in ground with steel walls, so that the ground doesn't push in against the steel walls and the vinyl liners doesn't shrink. It's old, so it's kind of near its end of its lifespan, but we have a safety ledge going around the deep end. You can kind of see down in this corner. There's a little bit of... So we tried our best. We filled it almost all the way up to the top, and it pushed a lot of it back. Take a look at that side. It is stretched pretty tight. We got some wrinkles there. But not tight enough. We knew that a kid was going to puncture it by accident just from walking on it. Safety ledge, but this liner is getting stretched to its... Man, it was a bummer. It was a real bummer. We're filling it up, and we're not too hopeful that this thing's going to last, but that's okay, because we've got a game plan anyway. I love this part. Coming, and so we're gonna re-landscape the whole backyard and make the pool look a little bit different. I make it sound so easy, right? Oh, it's a lot of work. So they warn you that if a pool drains and you got a vinyl liner, that this could happen. So I'm here to tell you that. Just wanted to. And this was a huge mess back there, a big pain in the butt. Whenever I needed to turn the pump on or off, I had to hop the fence, walk down behind the pool. It's super scary. I didn't know what critters from the creek were hiding under there. But that was used to pump out water from the creek into the sprinkler system. We have our filter down here, a pump down here, and our heater. And look at all of that electric and water mixed. So first step is to remove this. We've got our electric here. I had to say a little prayer every time I went and switched the pump off, just so I didn't get electrocuted. Oh my goodness. Right here. It was so confusing back there. Should be fun. Yeah. So here we go. This is our pool nowadays. If you're interested in following the action, go ahead and click subscribe below, and you won't want to miss a single episode. I'm doing a lot of the work myself. We are hiring some of it out because it's just way too much work for me to complete in time to get the pool open. Big thanks to my kid's friend across the street, Charlie, for the drone footage. It's his first time, not bad. So the bad news is the day after he broke his drone, and so he won't be able to take pictures a month later for me. So sad for him and sad for me too. So if you know somebody with a drone, let me know. I'll need them in about a month and a half, I hope. So there we go. If you like this video, please go ahead and click the like button, and we'll see you in the next episode.